Welcome back to our session on the queued data structure. In this video, we'll pick up where we left off and explore circular queues, priority queues, double-ended queues DQs, and some practical applications of queues. I'll provide pseudocode to show how these work, along with their time and space complexity. Let's jump right in. Circular queue. A circular queue is a variation of the simple queue that connects the last element back to the first, forming a circle. This prevents wasted space in array-based implementations. How it works. When the rear reaches the end of the array, it wraps around to the beginning if space is available. The front and rear indices are updated using a modulo operation to maintain the circular structure. Pseudocode for in-queue circular queue. Check if queue is full next rear position equals front. Return error if queue is full. Store the element at the rear position. Update rear position using modulo to wrap around. Indicate successful addition. Pseudocode for dequeue circular queue. Check if queue is empty front equals rear. Return error if queue is empty. Store the front element for returning. Update front position using modulo to wrap around. Return the removed element. Example. In a circular queue of size 5 with elements A, B, C space. Enqueuing D and E fills the queue. Dequeuing A frees space, and the rear can wrap around to add more elements. Time complexity. O of 1 for both enqueue and dequeue, as operations involve updating positions. Space complexity. O of 1 per operation. O of n for the array's total space. Priority queue. A priority queue assigns priorities to elements, and the highest priority element is dequeued first, regardless of insertion order. How it works. Each element has a priority value, for example, a number. The element with the highest priority or lowest, depending on the system, is removed first. It's often implemented using a heap for efficiency. Pseudocode for in-queue priority queue with max heap. Check if the queue has reached its maximum capacity. Return error if no space is available. Add element with its priority to the heap. Reorganize heap to maintain max heap property. Indicate successful addition. Pseudocode for dequeue priority queue with max heap. Check if the queue has no elements. Return error if queue is empty. Remove and store the highest priority element. Reorganize heap to maintain max heap property. Return the removed element. Example. In a priority queue with elements A3, B5, C1, dequeuing removes B highest priority equals 5. Time complexity. In queue. O of log n. Inserting into a heap requires heapification. Dequeue. O of log n. Extracting the max or min element requires heapification. Space complexity. O of n. Space proportional to the number of elements. DQ's double-ended queue. A DQs allows adding and removing elements from both the front and rear. How it works. It combines the flexibility of a queue and a stack, allowing operations at both ends. Pseudocode for in-queue front. Check if the DQs has reached its maximum capacity. Return error if no space is available. Move front position to the previous slot. Store the element at the new front position. Indicate successful addition. Pseudocode comments for in-queue rear. Check if the DQs has reached its maximum capacity. Return error if no space is available. Store the element at the rear position. Move rear position to the next slot. Indicate successful addition. Example. In a dequeue ABC, enqueuing D at the rear gives ABCD, and enqueuing E at the front gives EABCD. Time complexity. O of 1 for enqueue or dequeue at either end array or linked list. Space complexity. O of 1 per operation. O of n for total storage. Time and space complexity summary. Simple queue array-based. Enqueue. O of 1, space. O of 1. Dequeue. O of 1, space. O of 1. Peak. O of 1, space. O of 1. Is empty or is full. O of 1, space. O of 1. Total space. O of n for the array. Simple queue linked list based. Enqueue. O of 1, space. O of 1. Dequeue. O of 1, space. O of 1. Peak. O of 1, space. O of 1. Is empty. O of 1, space. O of 1. Total space. O of n for the nodes. Circular queue. In queue. O of 1, space. O of 1. Dequeue. O of 1, space. O of 1. Total space. O of n for the array. Priority queue heap-based. In queue. O of log n, space. O of 1. Dequeue. O of log n, space. O of 1. Total space. O of n for the heap. Dequeues. In queue or dequeue front or rear. O of 1, space. O of 1. Total space. O of n for the array or nodes. Applications of queues. Queues are widely used in computer science and real-world systems. Here are some key applications. Task scheduling. Operating systems use queues to manage processes waiting for CPU time. Print queues. Printers process documents in the order they're received. Network buffers. Routers use queues to manage packets waiting to be transmitted. Breadth-first search BFS. Queues are used in graph algorithms to explore nodes level by level. Customer service systems. Call centers or ticket systems use queues to handle requests in order. Thanks for learning with me today. We've covered circular queues, priority queues, dequeues, and how queues are used in real-world systems. Keep practicing, and you'll master this data structure in no time.